Hello and welcome. We're excited to introduce a new BackOrder feature, back in stock notification. Let's see how this works. First, here's your store's website interface. When a customer clicks on a product page for an out-of-stock item, they'll see a Notify Me When Available button. From there, they can enter their email address and the quantity they want. Immediately after signing up, the customer will receive a thank you email confirming their registration for back-in-stock notifications. On the merchant side, BackOrder collects these requests and displays them in the in-stock notification panel. Next, here's how to set up back-in-stock notification. Firstly, in the All Products section of the Products tab, use Bulk Assign to quickly select items for BackOrder. Next, go to the Settings tab, select Page Settings and make sure it's enabled. Switch to In-Stock Notification and also make sure it's enabled. In Back-in-Stock Rule, you can choose from 3 options for when notifications are sent. You can also include all out-of-stock products but exclude specific ones if needed. As you can see, the back-in-stock notification feature is still active for this product. In Delivery Rule, you can customize fields to set conditions for when notifications are triggered. Then, the pop-up CTA sections let you customize the appearance and wording of customer-facing elements like header, button, description, and others. Finally, the Email Templates section shows the email samples sent to customers with 3 types: subscription confirmation, back-in-stock notification, reminder. You're also free to customize all fields, including the logo, colors, and content. Then all management happens in the In-Stock Notification tab. The request view shows customers signed up for restock alerts, along with their details. Awaiting stock highlights products out of stock with active requests. Notified shows which customers have already received their restock notifications. The restock email tells customers when items are back in stock and lets them shop with one click. If customers haven't made a purchase, you can easily send follow-up reminder emails. We hope this tutorial been helpful. Feel free to visit our website, gritglobal.io, or shoot us an email to support@gritglobal at any time. With BackOrder, your out-of-stock products turn to revenue. Start your free trial today.